Hello, I'm State Representative Veronica Gonzalez. We have all been touched by cancer in our lifetimes. Perhaps it's a brother, a sister, a parent, a grandparent, or a friend. Help us in the fight against cancer. The Jack T. Clark Foundation, a part of the Texas Academy of General Dentistry, has a bold new mission to provide oral health care for cancer patients.
The J.T. Clark Foundation is bringing together physicians and dentists to help in this cause with oral cancer on patients in our community.
We're so grateful that our physicians are able to give quality cancer treatments and therapies to those dealing with cancer. Now they will have a new avenue to be able to care for those patients. A network of dentists willing to provide oral health care for those patients.
With good oral health and the involvement of the dental professional community, we can definitely prevent complications and improve the outcome of the cancer patients.
Join us, physicians, dentists, community leaders, in the fight against cancer. Together, we can make a difference.